According to the CEO of Koode Academy, the German course will support students and Nigerians who wish to study or work in Germany.
When you come to Germany, you need a basic language how to communicate. So we were contacted to give them this basic German language so that by the time they come to Germany, they already know the basic how to communicate. Especially people who are going to work in the health sector, they need to communicate with communities.
The maiden class for the pioneer students was held in Abuja, Nigeria's capital. Government representatives and some prominent Nigerians were in attendance.
So for you to do this, know that the opportunities there, get more people. The way you'll be able to determine the next step that will come. If you behave badly, they'll tell you we don't want us. But if you behave very well and come back to the best nurses in our system, we'll clap for you and be proud of you. I wish you all the very best. And inshallah, as you go there, Almighty Allah will protect you.
And one beautiful thing about Germany, again, they are highly productive. Highly productive. Everybody is working. Everybody is contributing to the economy.
Kuma ka'idar su dai cewa ba za ka zo ka aiki a ƙasar su ba tare da ka koyi harshen su. Da haka kun ga wannan B1 ɗin da kuke yana da muhimmanci. I'm sorry, A1 da ko?
A1 har B1.
Daga B1, A1, A2, B1, B2. To.
Ba sakamakon zaman lafiyan Germany da Nigeria ba wanda Allah ne sanadi shi ne sanadi da ba a samu wannan dama har shi MD na Koode ya zama da Jamusawa a tattauna yanda ku za a iya ba ku ayyuka a can Germany saboda kan basa da muna maka godiya.
A university lecturer and veteran journalist in Switzerland shares some tips with the students.
And actually I agree, if you want to work in Germany once or if you want to go there, it's highly probably better if you speak German and you know your way around, because Germans usually they don't speak English or not a lot of them. So I guess this is a good project, and it's very nice that you're here and listening to the people. Yeah. This is great. So you have really a big opportunity.
The students who are determined to learn the German language are already making progress.
I come this Abuja purposely to learn a German course because firstly I want to increase my knowledge on various languages across the world. Then number two, I want to get a job. I'm seeking job for German, Deutschland or Germany. So that's why I'm here to learn the German language.
Our profession, we have a lot of skills, but we don't know how to even dispatch them because of those lack of these opportunities. That is why I prefer to go to Germany, at least to know a lot of my profession, to know a lot about my professions.
There are millions of Nigerians who live abroad, and a lot of them speak various foreign languages as means of getting better job opportunities outside the shores of the country. Ibrahim Ismail, WTV News.